Traditional search engine marketing is on its way out. The way people search for information online in the last 2 years has completely changed. They look on ChatGPT, Google Gemini, TikTok, Reddit, everywhere to find their information. And more importantly, it comes to them with minimal friction. In this video, I'm going to explain why this shift is happening and what might come next. But before we do that, let's take a trip down memory lane. When Google burst onto the scene, it revolutionized the way we use the internet. Searching for something on Google just almost felt like magic. Their unique approach to using backlinks as a major ranking factor for website content completely democratized the web. This idea, it had consequences. Businesses scrambled to write content to climb the search engine results page, fighting for more and more traffic, all at the expense of user experience in most cases. They wrote endless blogs no one wanted to read. They opted into affiliate marketing schemes which blurred the lines between ads and editorial and employed all sorts of trickery to ride the new search wave. But don't worry, Google wasn't going to miss the money boat either. They introduced ads everywhere. Your news feed, search results, third-party sites, YouTube, even your inbox. Google have made organizing the internet free in return for your data. But hey, seemed like a win-win, right? Consumers got the information they needed, but had to put up with some weird quirks of the internet economy that have been created. Businesses got their products and services in front of people who might want them, and Google made an astronomical amount of money. Why would we ever change? Right?
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
A new artificial intelligence tool known as ChatGPT is gaining popularity for its ability to craft emails and answer almost any question in a matter of seconds.
Oh yeah, that thing. In 2023, ChatGPT took the world by storm. Its generative abilities were able to answer people's questions specifically, with context, without you ever having to even leave its interface. No ads, no pop-ups, no affiliate links, and no one trying to sell to you. As with all new tech, it wasn't perfect. It was prone to hallucinations or handing out incorrect information. But the key was you could see the potential was there, a different way of doing things. Google's fundamental business model was shaken, and the pressure was only about to get worse. A plucky video sharing app from China called TikTok was gaining traction at an alarming rate, and it was affecting search. According to a recent study by Search Engine Land, 51% of Gen Z women prefer to use TikTok for search than Google. And that's not even its primary purpose. What's more, TikTok was conditioning users to expect information quickly. The average video on the app is just 34 seconds, which is something search could never compete with. The way people are finding information online will change forever. But Google, they're an innovator still. In the last 12 months, they've pushed aggressively and released their own competitor, ChatGPT called Gemini, and YouTube Shorts to try and stem the TikTok wave. They're even playing with their cash cow, traditional search, experimenting with a new idea called generative search experience, which is just fancy speak for we're going to put some AI summaries at the top of your traditional search page. All of this could drastically harm Google's business model, but they don't have a choice. If they don't adapt, they'll lose the next generation of users, and they know search as we have it today won't be around forever. They have to respond. Going forward, people are going to expect information to come to them. They won't have to traverse a series of slow-loading websites with weird and different UIs. They'll just ask AI to go and scan the web, collate all the info they need, and then list its sources in case you want to check it further. Don't believe me? This company's already doing it. Last month, the browser company of New York released a new app called Arc Search on iPhone, which does exactly what I'm describing. You type in your query, click Browse for me, it browses the internet for you, collates all the information you need, builds a custom web page of exactly what you want to see, leaving all the other crap out. Why would someone ever go back to using normal search after this? I don't think they will. The big blocker I see to this futuristic world are content creators and publishers. If I can just use AI to scan and crawl the internet and it regurgitate all the information I need without me ever having to visit a website, how are publishers and content creators going to monetize? After all, they make their money from either trying to sell you their services when you visit their site, or from the ads you see while you're on their site, both of which won't happen anymore. This leaves publishers two choices. Number one, prevent AI from crawling their sites, monetize in another way, or number two, let the AI crawl your information, and just try and monetize the remaining traffic that do click through to you as a source. Long term, content creators are going to have to get paid for their contribution to the search economy. How that happens? It's for the next generation.